That is the only way I know. Katulad nga nung sinabi ko, me myself, during the last campaign, I have advertised to create a society of a better Filipinos. Yes. A braver and brighter world or a braver and brighter nation of dignified Filipinos. Di ba? As a leader among our peers, to be the first among equal, and I dream to be the best among the best. But you know, as I have said in so many speeches before my very own people and before the world, helping all our poverty countrymen, educate them, guide them is not an easy task. What we need is a superman or a super leader. A leader that would be brilliant in economic figure, excellent in political figure, dynamic in military figure. Yes, that's all we need. And it's hard to find that kind of leader who's become brilliant in every aspect of leadership in this country. But again, as I have said, the world has evolved. The evolution of this nation, especially in communication, is so massive. We have developed so much technology, but we almost lost humanity. Yes. I remember during my incarceration, many of our brothers and sisters have lost the way. Why? Because greediness to fame, power, and wealth have poisoned their soul. And those ambitious men barricaded the world with hate. And foolish individual like my basher drag us into misunderstanding and misery. Once they called me a pandemic hero. Once they called me a philanthropist. I have received so many medals. Award of being the ambassador of goodwill. But you know, I take no pleasure on that. I just want to live my life like the way I live today. So, Sir Professor, maraming salamat po sa pagtatanong. Sana ho nasagot ko kayo. Okay, balik tayo sa basher. Tama na muna yung kaseryosohan.